So what we want to do here is, in effect, make a armored bracelet. I'm going to be using these metal plates here. I should grind the edges of these down. Yeah, we'll see what happens. Okay. I'm going to leave some room on the end for my snaps. So we got 6 centimeters on that. I think we're going to keep this simple and just do a centimeter on each side. So that would mean this sheet would need to be 8 centimeters across. So the dots here are going to be where I'm going to put my rivets in. Perfecto. Ooh, I did just pick up these. These are kind of cool. I think I'm gonna use these. These are kind of a cool industrial look. And then I'll use this color, which will tie in with that. So that'll be cool. So let's use some of these. That's the backs, and that's the... Actually, yeah, let's use this color. Not brass. I don't know what color this is. Maybe antiqued brass. That'll match up with that, and that'll be cool. Oh, there we go. Beautiful. It's like magic. I think this is $25 on Amazon. Works like a dream. Oh wait, do dreams work? I don't think they do. They're confusing. Scary. I have this nice new, it's like a, really, it's like a $20 dresser from Target. It's like made out of plastic, but it's right below me. It's right under me, under my workbench, so I can just reach down and put my rivets and stuff away in there. And then I don't have to have them taking up space, where I have my stain, my thread, and then down there I have some stuff. I should raise that up a little bit. I don't know, I need more shelving. If any of you are wondering what sort of rig I use, it's a Sony a6000 with a 16mm prime lens. After doing about 10 YouTube videos, I just realized if I'm gonna be serious about this, which I am. Did I say that like I'm convincing myself? A little bit. So
you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
I just decided to upgrade my camera. It's a used camera that I got off eBay. Yes. So I just oiled this piece. This piece is going to go under here, and this would sit against your skin.
Thank you for watching this episode of Devilcraft Leather. I appreciate you tuning in, and remember to click like and subscribe. Also, don't forget that the devil is always in the details.